A team of researchers has discovered evidence that an planet may be forming quite far from its star, and much further than has been seen before. Astronomers using NASA's Hubble Space Telescope say they have discovered evidence of a planet forming 7.5 billion miles away from its host star, about twice the distance Pluto is from our Sun. Planet formation far away from a small parent star goes against conventional planet-making wisdom. Usually, planets form over tens of millions of years from the slow gathering of dust, rocks, and gas, but it normally happens closer to a central star, like our Sun. Planets begin to form when a cloud of debris and gas swirl around a star. Gradually the bits and pieces start colliding, sticking together and growing bigger into small rocks, bigger ones, and eventually, planets or gas giant planet cores. The planet lies inside a dusty, gaseous disk around a small red dwarf TW Hydra, which is only about 55% of the mass of the Sun. The discovery adds to the ever-increasing variety of planetary systems in the Milky Way. Planets are thought to form over tens of millions of years. A planet 7.5 billion miles from its star should take more than 200 times longer to form than Jupiter did, which is at a distance of 500 million from the Sun. However, what complicates the story more is the fact that TW Hydra is just 8 million years old and is only 55% as massive as our Sun. This dusty protoplanetary disk is the closest one to us, some 176 light-years away in the constellation Hydra. Hubble was observing the area to understand not only whether planets have formed, but also what conditions can result in planet formation and what chemical constituents are available for new planets. Lead author of the study, John Deebs of the Space Science Telescope Institute, remarked, "Typically, you need pebbles before you can form a planet. So, if there is a planet in the gap and there is no dust larger than a grain of sand farther out, we have provided a challenge for traditional planet formation models." Co-author Alicia Weinberger of the Carnegie Institution and principal investigator of the observations said it is surprising to find a planet only 5 to 10% of Jupiter's mass forming so far out, since planets should form faster closer in. She said it is difficult to make a low-mass planet far away from a low-mass star. If the mass of this suspected planet is as low as it seems to be, this presents a real puzzle. Theory would say that it cannot exist, said Carnegie astrophysicist Alan Boss. The research is published in the Astrophysical Journal.